Hey everybody, welcome back to Lift Rental One, and today we are going to check out more stick vacs. Now, the stick vac wars continue. This is the UWANT V500 stick vac, and this is the Ryobi Advanced 18-volt stick vac. This is a very popular stick vac because it uses tool batteries and it's great for the home, very versatile, very popular, and sold at Home Depot. This is sold on Amazon, and you can get it at the UWANT website as well. But this has some really unique, cool features, and so does this one. And in this video, we're going to go over both of them with the pricing, specifications, and just about everything. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. Let's take a look at the Ryobi first. As you can see, this is quality material. This has a 1-liter basket or barrel on it. It has, yes, 140 air watts, which means it's super powerful. A couple other things about it: has just about 1 hour of runtime because it's 4 amp hour battery, but you can change it. You can make it unlimited. Now, this is HEPA filtered, and it does have an LED dust light right down here. So let's just check that out really quick. You can see that right there. And it is a double roller, which is actually really nice. And we'll take a closer look at that in just a moment when we do a side-by-side comparison. As you can see through here, you can take this all apart. That's very standard. The dust basket does come off, and you can clean it quite easily. You can dump it from the bottom as well. And you can see where the handle is. The handle does have a 90-degree angle onto it, so it's on the back saddled, I guess, as you could say it. But let's go ahead and take a look at the UWANT. All right, let's take a look at the UWANT. It is a sleek design. It is the majority plastic, I would say, of this. You have different options. Actually, both vacuums has 3 different power options. This has a 0.4-liter dust basket on it. It does have a docking station. It does have just about an hour of runtime. You can see me holding this, and the reason why is because it is not self-standing like the Ryobi is. It's kind of interesting. But it is HEPA filtered. And this has something that the other vacuums just don't have. Check that out. It actually has a micro dust light. Now, I've never seen that before, so I'm very excited to test it out. And let's take a look at the heads at both of the vacuums. The Ryobi is noticeably larger than the UWANT. However, this is a double roller right here, and they do make a single roller which looks a little bit smaller and more comparable to the UWANT. But we're going to take a look at the UWANT first. As you can see, this is the type of beater bar that it has. Now, this is pretty supple through here, and then this is rubber. This rubber is meant for anti-tangle. If you look on the back side, you have little wheels right here, and then you have this felt area right through here, and this is really just for dust collection, things like that. Pretty good wheels, no complaints there. Pretty good wheels right there. Overall, pretty basic head for a roller. If we look at the Ryobis, and we're just going to spin them, they both spin. As you can see, that this is a double roller, and same thing, rubber. And then these bristles here are not supple. They're actually pretty stout, which is good because you need that mixture in order to get that out of. Look, it didn't tangle, so it actually worked, right? So it actually worked. Now you do have felt along the back side here, and then on the front, this is a really nice hardwood floor, very supple bar, and this is rough, this is soft, this is rough, this is soft. So it's a good mixture of both. So all in all, this is the better power head for this than the UWANT, but we're going to see how they perform. If we walk over to the actual machines or the actual vacuums and you do an overhead, You can see that there is quite a bit of a difference because the Ryobi is much larger than the UWANT. However, the UWANT has a few unique tricks up its sleeves. Now this one on the UWANT is not as serviceable as the Ryobi. The Ryobi, you can take everything apart. And as you can see on the Ryobi, you can change the battery lickety-split pretty easily. On the UWANT, you have to pull 2 tabs and that takes that out. But enough talking, let's go ahead and get started testing. Okay, let's go ahead and start it up. I'm going to press this button right here. See, it came on. Next level. Okay, now let's get you close. Can you see that? That's so cool. I can see so much dust and dirt. So a struggle with some popcorn. Alright, got it on the second side. I would actually be remiss if I didn't show this to you, how serviceable this Ryobi is. This is just with one hand. The roller's already out. Just a quick little quarter turn. We want to put it back in. All we have to do is just slide it. Same thing down here, but a little easier. Whole thing comes out. Look at that. Look how easy that is. So we're going to push that in, just one hand. And boom, you're done. You do have roller buttons, so if you want to turn off the roller, if you want to switch the speed, higher, okay. Ryobi, you just take it off, you push this little button right here, and that's all you got to do to empty it. And then when you're done, all you have to do is we're going to set this up, slide it down. You can see it's starting to charge on its base. You have connections and hangers for different attachments, and that's about it. So you finally see the stand for the UWANT. Check this out. It does have a barrel plug down in there. That's how it connects. So let's just go ahead and you can see all that stuff it has in there. It has quite a bit. We're just going to set this right here. And that's how that one empties. That is one of the coolest things I have ever seen. And then once we want to empty this out, you just take it out and you have a bag in there. Alright, so that's it. These are the vacuums, the UWANT versus the Ryobi. Ryobi is more powerful. It did a little bit better job cleaning the floor, and it actually pulverized some of the crackers and cereal and things like that, which I didn't really realize it would do that, but it is that much more powerful, and it picked up bigger things too. Now, you should suspect that, right? You should think of it because it does have a soft roller bar that's going to suck everything up. Then it has beater bars in the back that's just going to throw it up into the vacuum. This only has one beater bar, but you know what? It did a great job on the UWANT. The UWANT performed very, very well. It is lighter. It has great power. It's going to last you an hour, but it's going to take you 3 hours to charge. This one's going to last you an hour, but you can switch the battery or put a bigger battery, and it can last you, a couple hours as well. I think the Ryobi itself is higher quality, but the price point really does show it. It's $400 for the docking station, the battery, and everything for the Ryobi on the advanced vacuum. The UWANT is only $250, and it comes with the self-cleaning station, the battery, and the charging port, so it's always ready to go. I really, really do like that feature. Now, you do have one more maintenance item, which you're going to have to open up the container, or the self-cleaning base, and you're going to have to empty that out. No big deal. Do it once a week or so. You're going to have to empty this one out every time, but you're going to be able to vacuum a lot longer because it has more capacity, more battery capacity in the Ryobi. And the UWANT, it's not meant to go that long. It's just really not. Whether it's going to be your capacity or limitations on how much you're vacuuming up or picking up, or just the battery and the recharge time. Now, this just has a barrel plug that you recharge it with, and that's fine. That's actually a pretty good value engineering methodology. This has contact points, which it's more of an integrated charging methodology, much more advanced than the engineering department, but it charges faster too. Now, overall, with a price point, the UWANT has probably the best value out of these two because of everything you're going to be able to do. Performance-wise, Ryobi's got them. Now, Ryobi actually does have a smaller vacuum than this, and it's probably a lot more comparable to the UWANT, and it's also $250. It comes with the battery, it comes with chargers, it comes with all the attachments, more of a head-to-head. In that situation, Ryobi wins that one every single time because it has just about the same power, just not as many features. But at the end of the day, if you're going to look for a budget-friendly vacuum that has a self-cleaning base to it, which is pretty awesome, and it has the really cool green LED light for microdust and everything else, the UWANT is an incredible value. It feels good, it's quality. The technology built inside of it is actually really, really cool. And then you just got a powerhouse over here, the Ryobi. They're both good vacuums. They did the job. Now, get out there and do some more research. Let me know what you think. My name is Brent. This has been Live Free and Tool On. Get out there and go try something. Make mistakes. Learn from your mistakes and pass on the solutions to the next generation. And we'll all be better for it at the end of the day. Take care, everyone.